Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax and I am the CEO of Curly Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this hat puff look thing. And I'm going to show you how I get all of this hair under this hat and get the puff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I have been wearing this recently because I either haven't had time to do my hair or didn't want to do my hair, and I've got quite a few compliments on it, as well as a few questions on like, how did I do this? Like, how did I get my hair to fit in this hat? You know, so if you are interested in seeing that, then definitely stay tuned, keep watching, and let's get into it.
I'm really trying to talking never turn me on. Something got me tripping. We've been playing games for way too long.
All right, so my hair is looking how it's looking. So the way I do this is, it's like I pull my hair back, and an important part for doing this is to get the puff as low as you possibly can, because if you try to do the puff like here or like high up, the hat is going to be like in your face. That was a lesson I kind of had to learn the hard way. But another thing I like to do is, instead of just pulling my hair back like this, right, I like to like pull it back like this, just to try to get it as flat as I possibly can. I find that also doing it like this makes the puff a little bigger than doing it just straight back like this. Like, you have so much hair under here, it's kind of puffy, and the puff is small, where if you like smooth, like just like kind of pull your hair back to the sides, it just makes the puff bigger. But so I just slide my hair back, and this is normally what I do whenever I don't have time to do my hair, I don't want to do my hair, or sometimes if I do actually just want to wear a hat, this is what I do too. But this is mostly what I do when I don't have time to do my hair, I don't want to do my hair. So we just pull it back and then hold it there. And then you want to think of the hat as like a hair tie or a scrunchie. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand through the hat like this way. Put your hand through, and then you're going to grab the puff, and you're going to pull it through the hole as if it was a hair tie, right? And then you still hold the puff, you fix your hat, and then the hat is on. Now with all this that happens, you just tuck it in there. Now see, when you do this, now you have the hat look. But the thing that I don't like about just doing this is, if you come close, all this is like, it just looks kind of crusty, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I do to fix that. So I take some water, and I'm just going to wet just this little side, right? The little side that was just out. Just gonna wet the side. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to take some gel. I'll be using the Eco Styler gel, the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. And we're just going to take that and just slick it up. You don't have to do your whole head because you're not going to see all that. But it's just that side that just needs to be fixed up, you know? So we're just going to slick that up. Same thing on the other side. And now, when I do the same thing, and remember, you want to wear the puff low, then I put my hand through the hat, put the puff through the hole, just like a hair tie. Now, when I pull my hat down, it looks clean. Might need to do a little bit of like tucking some hairs in, especially depending on how long your hair is. The longer, the better. And I'll just like fluff it out, and that's it. It's a very simple look to pull off, but it just looks so good. Like, I feel like this looks really good. Another thing that I like to do sometime is do the little baby hairs that are right here, just to give you like that chef's kiss, you know what I'm saying? So what I'll do is, there's a comb, it's like a baby hair like comb that is so good that my sister has. I actually need to get one because it's literally phenomenal. but I'm just gonna use a toothbrush. And I also like to use this, like, this is a little like comb thingy that I got in a shaver. It's for your beard, so I use the big side for like my beard and like manicure my mustache. Like sometimes my mustache is looking a little crazy, I'll just like kind of clean it up a little bit, you know. But I'll use the small section over here. So I need a mirror because I can't really see. Okay, so here's what I do. I'll put the gel on, and then I'll take this little comb, the small side, and you're just gonna clean it up. With the little brush that my sister has, it makes it look literally 10 times better than this. Like this still looks good, but with that brush, it literally makes your like hairs lay flawlessly. I'm gonna order one, and I'm also gonna link it one down below so that if anybody wants to grab it, you can. It is literally so freaking phenomenal. Also, another important thing when you're doing your baby hairs is to not get a lot of hair. Like literally, you want the littlest bit of hair, just enough to show up when you like lay it down. If you're dealing with too much baby hair, what will happen is your baby hair is gonna like, it's gonna be curling up, it's not gonna lay flat, it's gonna look chunky and kind of like just not good. So you want a little bit of hair, the littlest bit of hair. You just want enough hair to lay down so that you can create whatever you want to create, whether you want swoops or whether you want a line, whatever the case may be. But all right, y'all, and that is it. That is it. That is the final finished look. It's a nice little simple style, but I don't know, it just looks so good in my opinion. I get a lot of compliments whenever my hair is like this. This is it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really does support the channel. And if you're looking forward to more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. For more of the behind the scenes stuff, you can find me on Instagram at Kobe Lomax, and also on TikTok at Kobe Lomax. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, spending some time here with me on the internet. It's always so fun to talk to you guys. I enjoy it. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.